Hello, good evening, everyone. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, I can, Miss.
Okay. Hi, Ninis. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Have you already made a presentation?
Gimana, Miss?
Have you already done your homework?
Ya, udah.
Oh, udah, oke. Mas Arham gimana?
Uh,
Hai,
on progress, Miss.
on progress?
Yeah.
Oke, oke.
Miss, tapi buatnya di Word.
Oh, di Word. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Okay, guys. Before we start our class today, let's pray first with our personal belief. Pray begins. Okay, finish. Siapa dulu nih yang mau presentasi? Ervan? Udah siap, Ervan?
Sudah, siap,
Oh
Miss.
ya, Hermawan? Hermawan
Baik, Bang.
ada di situ juga.
Ada, Miss. Nah,
Oh ya, oke. Ini kamu mau nge-share sendiri atau yang ada di
share
sini?
sendiri aja, Miss.
Oke,
Share
oke.
sendiri.
Silakan, silakan. Oh ya, teman-teman yang tugas kemarin, yang presentasi juga, yang simple present, itu silakan disubmit di itu ya, di Google Classroom. Nanti biar saya bisa ngasih nilai di situ. Oke,
Oke, Miss.
thank you.
Right.
Oke. Hai Nabila,
Halo Miss,
gimana? Udah tugasnya?
udah
Oke, oke. Ya.
langsung dikumpulin ya Miss?
Eh, ya, kalau bisa nanti di submit di Google Classroom nanti biar aku bisa kasih nilai di situ.
Oh ya, oke oke. Oke.
Ya. Oke, kita lihat presentasi dari Hervan.
Okay, guys. I
Eh,
want to tell.
yes, please.
Okay, guys. I want to tell about my holiday. My stories. On April 17, 2024, I went on vacation to Laguna Samudra Beach with my friends and my younger brother. My friends, Dimas and Georgie, came along as well as my brother, Hermawan. We left at 11 o'clock a.m. and arrived at 2 o'clock p.m. There was there
Kalau
was a
kalau
slight
sorry. Hervan, kalau misalnya udah ada AM sama PM, gak usah pakai o'clock
oh
lagi ya. Oke.
berarti gimana ini Mas cara bacanya? We
Bilang
live
aja 11 AM. Mm-mm.
oh we
And then
we we leave at 11 p.m. and arrived at 2 p.m. There was a slight issue on the way because my friend's motorbike broke down, which delayed our arrival at Laguna Beach a bit. Laguna Samudra Beach was beautiful, with white sand and shaded areas from the many fine trees. The beach was highly recommended as a tourist destination. There were also about there were also boat services available to explore around the beach, and we decided to try it. The view was amazing. From the boat, we could see coral reefs and fish swimming around. After the boat ride, we returned to our seats to order food. We ordered a variety of dishes like instant noodles, meatballs, real meatballs, and drinks like coffee, tea, and other beverage. The weather, the weather that the weather that was perfect, sunny and clear. The locals were friendly and welcoming, which made the experience even better. I was really happy to visit the beach with my friends and brother because the scenery was stunning.
Oh,
Okay, and then
nice.
some photos from Laguna Beach.
Well, that's really good.
Okay, the end. Thanks for your attention, guys.
Okay, thank you, Herman. Can you back to your uh, first or second presentation? Boleh lihat ke atas lagi?
Ini, Miss. Nah,
Oh, okay. Yeah, so far so good. Ya, ya emang pakai simple past ke
oke.
bawah lagi. Tapi mungkin nanti ini ya penempatan koma sama ininya. Kalau misalnya ada ada kata which gitu ya sebelumnya tuh biasanya nggak pakai koma ya.
Oh,
Oke, terus ini kamu maksudnya my friends itu ngasih tahu namanya Dimas and Georgi gitu ya?
iya, Miss.
Dimas and Georgi, oke. Ke bawah lagi boleh? Tadi mungkin kayak pronunciation-nya aja yang perlu diperbaiki. Tadi kayaknya di mana ya? Oh, tadi kamu bilang apa? Bahasa Inggrisnya Mi, tadi kamu bilangnya apa?
Yang mana, Miss?
Bahasa Inggrisnya Mi?
Oh, noodles.
Nah, itu bilangnya bukan noodles tapi noodles.
Oh, noodles.
Iya, oke. Terus ada lagi tadi the weather,
Mm-mm.
the weather was perfect gitu. Nggak usah the weather that day was perfect, ya itu ya, perkara grammar grammar aja.
Ya, Miss.
Oke, and then tadi ada oh scenery. Jadi bukan apa tadi bacanya pemandangan,
Scenery.
ya. Jadi uh, C-nya nggak dibaca, bilangnya scenery kayak gitu ya.
Scenery. Okay,
Oke.
Miss.
Terus sama yang ini drinks like coffee, tea, and other apa kamu bilangnya tadi?
Beverage.
Ya, beverages.
Oh, beverages.
Oke, bawa lagi.
Miss.
Udah ya?
Udah,
Oke.
Miss.
Ini ya, some photos from Laguna Beach. Yeah, that's really nice. Thank you, Herman, for your presentation. Ya,
Miss.
give, ya. Selanjutnya siapa?
Mi,
Oh, Aisyah, oke. Aisyah mau share sendiri atau mau Miss bantu?
dari Miss aja deh.
Oke, sebentar ya. Hmm. Oh, ini PDF ya? Apakah harus download dulu? Oh, gitu ya. Sebentar, sebentar. Berarti harus di-download dulu. Bentar ya.
Oke, Miss.
Oke. Yang lainnya siap-siap ya. Oh, lumayan besar. Sebenarnya bisa sih kayak gini, tapi kayak kurang enak aja tampilannya. Kayak gini kelihatan nggak Aishi? Kekecilan ya?
Kelihatan, Miss.
Kelihatan. Oke. Oke, yang ini aja kali ya. Coba silakan Aishi.
Okay. Okay, guys, I will tell you about my holiday. Hmm. On 29 February 2024, I went to Malang and Yogyakarta. I went with my friends and teachers because this was a school event. In other words, this was a study tour. Next, I will explain about Malang first. Malang is a city that is very suitable as tourist destination because this place has the beautiful Mount Bromo and beautiful views too. The weather in Malang is very cold. Therefore, if you want to go to Bromo Malang, you have to wear a thick jacket and gloves. Then I tried some food in Malang. One of them is Malang meatballs and apple chips. Then I will describe local peoples in Malang. They are so kind and polite. Polite. Most of them use Japanese for everyday language. Uh, okay, next I will describe Yogyakarta. This is the most beautiful city I have ever visited. As the name suggests, special region of Yogyakarta. This city is still very attached to its tradition. This city has a lot of history and temples. One interesting thing about this city is that its leadership still use a sultan. The weather in Yogyakarta is very hot during the day and cold at night. I tried several foods in Yogyakarta, one of which was dumpling, and it's so yummy. The local people in Yogyakarta, hmm, Miss itu bawahnya nggak kelihatan. The
Kelihatan
local
nggak yang?
people, ya kelihatan. The local people in Yogyakarta were very kindly. Okay, next. My feeling during the holiday, we were very happy and joyful because I was on holiday with friends and this was an experience that will not be repeat. Uh, this some photo in Bromo, guys. Aisyah and friend. Okay,
That's so
next.
cute. Yang mana Aisyah? Aisyah yang mana?
Yang sebelah kanan kedua.
Oh, yang sarung tangan putih.
Ya.
Oh, oke.
Nah, this some photo Aisyah and friend in Malang.
Oke. So cute.
Next.
Oke.
This is Aisyah and friends in Yogyakarta, guys.
Oh, so fun ya.
Yes,
Ini berarti study tour ya?
iya, Miss.
Oke. Thank you,
And
Aisyah.
curve.
Ya, thank you
My
so much,
pleasure, Miss.
Aisyah. Oke, Miss kasih feedback ya. Presentasinya udah bagus banget. Udah colorful gitu ya. Terus foto-fotonya juga kreatif banget. Dikasih, apa namanya, hiasan sana dan sini. Oke, pertama-tama Aisyah bilang tadi school event ya,
Oh
yang
iya,
ini.
event.
Ya,
Event.
ini bilangnya bukan event tapi event. Kalau event
Event.
itu, heeh. Kalau event itu yang EVEN, itu beda lagi. Itu kan artinya bahkan kayak gitu ya. Nah, sedangkan kalau yang ini bacanya yang ada T-nya itu event itu. Terus
Oh,
kemudian, nah di sini butuh ke apa namanya ya, kekonsistenan Aisyah. Kalau nggak salah tadi yang pas di part bagian Yogyakarta ini udah pakai simple past. Tapi ketika yang di bagian Malang nih masih ada yang pakai simple present kayak gitu ya. Mungkin,
oh,
uh-uh. Mungkin kalau emang untuk menjelaskan sebuah fakta memang pakai simple present seperti itu ya.
mm-mm.
Tapi ketika Aisyah bilang misalnya itu entah makanannya, entah weathernya, walaupun misalnya waktu itu sebuah fakta di waktu itu ya. Tapi kan
Ya.
eh, cuaca Malang tuh nggak selalu cold, for example. Sometimes, jadi
Mm.
untuk lebih amannya lebih baik pakainya was aja ya. Makanya pakai simple past. Jadi di sini karena Aisyah menceritakan experience seperti itu. Oke,
Oke.
jadi
Oke,
lebih baik
Miss.
lebih baik pakai simple past. Oke, gitu.
Oke.
Ya, terus ya they are so kind and polite. Ya, jadi pakainya were aja. They were so kind and polite karena menceritakan experience Aisyah atau kejadian di masa lalu gitu ya. Oh, ini mungkin typo ya. I will describe.
Iya. Sorry,
Okay,
Miss.
it's
Menekan
okay.
titik.
Yeah, it's okay. Never mind. And then, yeah, I have ever visited. Yeah, I do agree. Yogyakarta is the most beautiful city. Terus gitu, ya, the city is still very attached to its traditions. Okay, a lot of ya ini bisa karena mungkin itu sih apa fakta ya. The
Mm-mm.
weather in Yogyakarta is very hot during the day and cold at night. Ya itu lebih amannya pakai was aja ya karena
Jadi
sam
itu
uh-uh,
isu ya, Miss.
ya was aja.
Oke.
Oke, kayak gitu. Nah ini kan akhirnya di sini pakai was juga kan. One of
Mm-mm.
which gitu ya. I tried several foods in Yogyakarta. One of them was gitu aja, bukan one of which gitu, tapi one of
Iya.
them. Mm-mm. One of them was dumpling, kayak gitu. And then ini they uh, very kindly, tapi bukan very kindly, tapi very kind. Kalau ada kata lilinya itu berarti dengan baik kayak gitu ya. Atau
Oh,
direct, misalnya kayak bilang directly berarti secara langsung. Kalau kindly secara baik, jadi nggak pakai li ya, very kind gitu
oke.
aja. Oke, seperti itu. Ini this was an experience that would not be repeated. Itu konteksnya berarti Aisyah nggak bakalan ngulangin lagi.
Maksudnya kayak pengalaman sama
Jarang.
temennya itu ke Bromo.
Oh, gimana? Kalau pengalaman sama temennya gimana?
Maksudnya pengalaman ke Bromo sama temennya itu gak bakal keulang, Miss.
Oh, gitu. Oke, oke. This was an experience that would not be repeated. Oke. Ya, kayak kalau kedengarannya kayak kesannya itu negatif gitu ya. Mungkin kalau ini diganti aja jadi kayak once in a blue moon. Jadi itu sesuatu yang bakalan jarang terjadi gitu loh. Ya. Nanti
Oh,
nanti kita bakalan belajar juga mengenai idioms-idioms seperti itu. Oke. Kalau
oke, Miss.
that would not be repeated ya mungkin itu emang secara langsung indikasinya nggak bakalan terulang lagi gitu ya. Cuman kayak
Mm-mm.
kok kayak konotasinya kok kayak negatif gitu. Oke, nggak apa-apa juga sih. Oke. Okay, Aisyah, thank you for your presentation.
Yes,
Yeah,
Miss, my pleasure.
yeah, it's really entertaining. Ya, tampilannya sangat-sangat lucu gitu ya. Kyo. Oke, guys. Selanjutnya siapa? Nabila, are you ready?
Yes, Miss.
Oke.
Oke. Aku presentasiin ya, Miss.
Iya.
Udah kelihatan belum, Miss?
Udah.
Oke. Bentar. Oke. eh, udah kelihatan semua, Miss? Udah jelas?
Udah. Yang
Oke.
lainnya kelihatan kan ya, guys?
Kelihatan.
Oke.
Oke. Hello, everyone. So today I'll tell you about my holiday to Singapore. I went to Singapore for 4 days and 3 nights. It's from 26 until 29 January.
Hmm.
The main reason I went to Singapore was I went to watch Music of the Spheres World Tour, which a Coldplay concert in Singapore, because I didn't get the ticket when they went to Jakarta, so I decided to go to Singapore.
Wah, sih.
And then I go to some of destinations in Singapore. There are Orchard Road, Lau Pa Sat, and Chinatown. Orchard Road is Singapore's most famous shopping and lifestyle destination, so there are a lot of malls in the Orchard Road. And then Lau Pa Sat, also called Telok Ayer Market, is a historic food spot in the heart of Singapore CBD. And Chinatown has a rich history, colorful streets, and delicious food, making it a must-visit cultural spot in Singapore.
Mhm.
And then I went with my sister and her friends. We are four in total.
Mhm.
The weather was good. The average temperature was between 27 until 31 degrees Celsius. This is top three must-try foods that I've tried. The first one is Lucky Chicken Rice. It's like a Hainan, no,
Oh, Hainan.
Hainan
Hainan
rice, yes,
rice. Okay.
yes. And then Mr. Coconut.
So
This
cute.
is my favorite favorite coconut shake.
Oh, coconut shake.
Yes, like
Okay.
coconut shake. And then the last one, it's Laksa Singapore.
Mhm.
My feelings during the holiday was extremely happy because Coldplay concert was my top top of my bucket list concert that I should watch. And yeah, I'm so happy. That's it for the presentation. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you Nabila, really informatif ya. Jadi di situ ada part-partnya, eh, ada tempat atau tourist destination yang perlu dikunjungi, and then after that about the food as well gitu. Kayaknya ya overall really really interesting. Cuman tadi
Yes.
mungkin pas di awalnya bilangnya I go to Singapore, harusnya
Oh, I won ya.
iya I went to.
Ya,
Oke, itu aja
oke.
sih. Nggak ada videonya.
Ada Miss, tadi lupa ngeplay.
Iya, coba aja di
Eh,
itu
Tapi
diputer.
singkat aja sih. Coba yang
Oke.
ini.
Oh, ada toh. Oh, tapi nggak ada suaranya ya.
Gak ada suara Kak, Miss.
Hah?
Nah itu. Gak ada suara Kak, Miss. Aduh.
Iya, oke. Iya. Oh, terus sama tadi bilangnya apa? Four in total ya?
Iya.
Bilangnya lebih enaknya there, ya there were four of us aja gitu. Four of
Oh, oke.
us. Oke?
Hmm. Oke,
Oke,
Miss.
gitu aja Nabila. Thank you so much for your
Oke.
presentation.
Thank you,
Oke,
Miss.
ya. Selanjutnya, Arham.
Wait, Miss.
Oke. Are you ready or Atau yang lain dulu?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Oh, yang lain dulu aja berarti ya. Ninis? Hai Ninis.
Yes, Miss.
Ya, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Yes.
Saloka. Saloka kayak pernah
Apakah
dengar.
terlihat, Miss?
Oh, Saloka. Udah. Iya, udah terlihat. Saloka. Iya.
Oke.
Kayak di Jogja ada juga ya
Hello,
Saloka.
guys. I'll
Iya.
kurang tahu.
Oke.
Okay, guys, I will tell you about my holidays. One year ago, I went to Saloka, the park with my friends. The names are Nadila, Naili, Vita, and Nanda. Saloka Park is a family destination in Semarang, Central Java. This place has beautiful views and funny concept. The name Saloka is taken from the legendary Rawa Pening. Saloka Park has very much vehicle. Among them are Biang Lala, Pagubumi, Ghost House, Education Room, Kumbang Layang, and many more. I'm so happy because I'm very enjoyed this moment with my friends after test. We went out morning 8 a.m. and start from Semarang, Kaligawe. We were via toll route and finished at 10 a.m. Over there, we bought ticket and waited for the vehicle open. Hot weather didn't make us sad. We walked and tried some the games until 2 p.m. Then we rested for lunch. Not enough after that. We must have one vehicle, which is Lika-Liku. And booms will sickening because the Lika-Liku is very extreme, so I'm worried. But all of that didn't make me bad mood or angry. Exactly, we all laughed. We enjoyed, we aware just need time to breathe. Come home from vacation, we visited Vita's home and saw her mother. Her mother pretty and humble. She has a restaurant. We did eat ikan bakar segar because the restaurant has a fishing. We are invited to meet her employees and everybody good attitude with us. Then we didn't buy them. We no paying even though we tried many menu there. Ikan bakar very delicious if mixed with sauce. Besides that, there is ikan acar very creamy. We like all of them and I recommended that place. It was a great day. We have fun and satisfied. Last we back to Semarang at 6 p.m. I hope we can vacation again. Pas to Karimun, Jawa together.
Ninis yang mana tuh?
And this some photo from Saloka Park. Yang ini.
Oke, yang kerudung biru.
Terlihat nggak sih, Miss?
Iya, tapi kurang jelas ya,
Ya,
tapi
ini
terlihat. Oke. Ya, oke.
bisa di zoom nggak ini?
Pecah ya? Iya, nggak apa-apa. Cantik kok, cantik.
Oke.
Udah, Ninis. Presentasinya
Udah.
udah, Ninis? Oke. Ya, thank you, Ninis, for your presentation. Really,
Gimana?
really informatif karena di sini Ninis ngejelasin juga kan kalau ada apa namanya cerita di baliknya gitu ya tentang namanya gitu kayak kayak ada historinya gitu loh. Saloka is taken from the legendary Rawapening kayak gitu kan jadi informasi baru buat kami semua ya kayak gitu. Terus mungkin cuman emang ada beberapa grammar yang harus diperbaiki gitu ya. Contohnya di sini they names itu harusnya their names. Oke. Jadi kan possessive noun.
Yang
Eh,
mana, Miss?
yang ini nama temen kamu. I went to Saloka. Itu theme park atau emang dem park gitu? Tulisannya theme park gitu atau
Them Park.
oh emang benar dem park? Soalnya kan biasanya theme park gitu ya.
Ya,
Oke.
kalau di Google Them Park.
Oh, iya ini yang aku coba cek di Google theme park. Jadi ada E-nya di belakang M. Soloka Theme Park. Iya gitu ya.
Oh,
Soloka,
kurang
iya,
E ya.
iya di sini kurang E. Nah terus di sini nih, ini harusnya bukan they names, tapi Their, their names. Jadi kepemilikan kan, nama-nama mereka kayak gitu kan maksudnya. Iya Ninis.
Ya.
Iya jadi ini their names. Kayak gini nih. Aku ketik. Nah, ini harusnya gitu, their names, bukan they names. Terus kemudian Saloka bla bla bla. This place has beautiful views and funny concepts. Ya, ya, ya. Oke. Oh, boleh ke bawah lagi, pelan-pelan. Ah, ini I'm so happy. Itu kan kejadiannya di masa lampau ya.
Aduh, ini rusak.
Oke, santai-santai. Bisa?
Oh,
Iya, ya, pelan-pelan. Nah, ini tadi yang I'm so
bilang,
happy. Heeh. Oke, oke, santai aja. Ini kan yang I'm so happy itu ya
ya.
Ninis ya. Ini harusnya I was so happy karena itu kan udah terjadi di masa lampau ya. Sama I was very
Oh,
enjoy. Ya, ini bukan I was very enjoyed. Bilang aja I enjoyed. Jadi nggak pakai to be. I very enjoyed aja gitu. Itu jadi kata kerja aja di situ ya. Tapi kalau di sini I was so happy kayak gitu. We went at, nah ini bilangnya jangan we went at morning, tapi bilang aja we went we went at 8 a.m. gitu aja. Karena kalau udah ada a.m. kita udah tahu itu di itu ya pagi hari atau in the morning kayak gitu. We went to
oh,
kemana
berarti
nih?
morningnya nggak usah itu ya.
Morningnya nggak usah. Ini we went to kemana nih? Ke Salokanya itu.
Iya,
Iya, bilang aja we went to
startingnya
Saloka.
dari Semarang.
Oke. We went to Saloka at 8 a.m. and yeah, started from Semarang Kaligawe. Nah, ini juga bilangnya bukan we way gitu ya. Bilang aja we
Hmm?
went there bisa via tol atau by tol gitu ya. We went there aja. Loh, kok hilang dia? Oh, sinyalnya kali ya. Oke. Sembari nunggu Ninis, mungkin yang lain dulu aja ya. Hermawan,
Hermawanya nggak jadi ikut Miss, dia ada kerjaan.
Oke. Hermawan itu ini adiknya ya. Hermawan tuh adiknya apa kakaknya?
Hermawan
Maaf.
adiknya, Miss.
Oh, adiknya. Emang kerjaan
Ya,
apa? Masih umur berapa? 14 bukan ya?
tadi katanya banyak tugas,
Miss, maaf,
mau
Oh,
habis
tugas.
dikumpulin gitu.
keluar.
Oh iya, iya, oke. Ninis, ya silakan dilanjut lagi. Tadi boleh ditampilkan lagi, Ninis.
Oke.
Oke.
Hah? Aduh. Mana?
Oke. Tadi sampai mana ya?
Terlihat nggak, Miss?
Kelihatan. Ya. Jadi tadi ini ya, we went via toll. Itu bilang aja we went there by toll
Iya,
atau we went there via toll itu juga boleh gitu. Oke, and then
we went via toll.
iya, we went there by toll. Eh, kalau di Indonesia bilangnya toll road ya, atau highway. Di sini bilangnya
Kurang
highway
tahu.
nggak sih teman-teman? Main road bukan ya? Oke deh, ada kali ya toll road. I'm not sure. Oh ya mungkin ada. Terus kemudian arrived there, bla bla bla. The weather didn't hot weather, okay, didn't make us sad. We walk, bla bla bla. Kayaknya udah sih. Boleh ke bawah lagi? Oh, iya itu
Udah selesai.
was very extreme. Paling cuma tensesnya aja ya yang perlu hati-hati. Tinggal diubah ke simple past gitu. I'm worried gitu. Kita kan udah di masa lampau jadi harusnya I was worried yang ini ya. I was worried. Terus ya, and then come home from vacation, we visited. Ya, mungkin di sini problemnya Ninis itu dari bahasa Indonesia di Inggris kan gitu. Jadi kayak pulang ke rumah dari jalan-jalan kita sampai nah kayak gitu. Karena kalau di bahasa Inggris itu kayak apa ya? Ada rules-nya kayak gitu. For example, ya sesuai dengan SPOK aja kalau di bahasa Indonesia. Atau enggak kalau misalnya itu
Iya.
eh, coming home bisa juga itu kita pakai gerund. Jadi di awal kalimat itu menggunakan verb ing, tapi itu bukan menandakan continuous, tapi itu menandakan gerund. Kapan ya kita belajar gerund? Nanti Miss pikirin itu masuk kategori ke general English atau enggak ya. Coming home from vacation kayak gitu. At- Kalau misalnya come home from vacation ini kan berarti uh, jadinya simple present ya. Terus kemudian digabungkan dengan we visited
Oh,
Vitas home itu pakai simple past. Jadi itu kayak nggak ini gitu, nggak bisa gitu ya. And then saw her mother. Nah itu nggak bisa langsung juga kayak gitu, harus pakai subjeknya. Siapa yang lihat ini? Misalnya we saw her mother kayak gitu ya. Jadi kalau bisa bahasa Inggrisnya itu sesuai SPOK aja ya Ninis. Jangan bahasa Inggris bahasa Indonesia di Inggris kan gitu maksudnya. Oke. Nah, terus kemudian kayak her mother pretty and humble. Nah, itu harus ada to be-nya kayak gitu ya. Her mother was pretty and humble. Terus um, ya ini kalau misalnya fakta ya she has a restaurant boleh. And her mother is pretty and humble tuh juga boleh. Kalau itu kan fakta. We did eat. Oh, ini bilang aja we ate aja ya. Bukan we did eat, tapi bentuk kedua dari eat adalah ate. Tulisannya
Ya.
ATE. Ate gitu ya. Ikan bakar segar. Ini boleh di bahasa Indonesia kan atau di bahasa Inggris kan? Kalau misalnya bahasa Inggris berarti mungkin kayak grilled fish kali ya. Atau fresh grilled fish
Grill.
kayak gitu. Mm-mm. Grilled fish. Because the
Ya, grill
restaurant has
fish.
a fishing. Oh, maksudnya punya kolam gitu atau gimana? Has a fishing tuh maksudnya gimana?
Punya pemancingan.
Oke,
Punya pemancingan.
mungkin bilangnya bukan fishing aja. Kalau fishing kan berarti kata kerjanya ya. Bilang aja punya ini aja kali ya. Fishing pool or fishing spot kayak gitu ya. Fishing pool
Oh,
or
ya.
spots. Jadi eh, kalau fishing doang kayak nggak ini. Oke, kayak gitu. And then ya ini bisa diganti jadi fishing pool gitu ya, kolam kolam pemancingan gitu. We are invited to meet her employees. Kami kami di kami di invite gitu. Maksudnya ini bahasa Indonesianya gimana nih? We are invited, kami diundang atau
Ya,
kami mengundang atau diundang.
kami diundang.
Oke, ini jadi we were aja ya, pakainya past tense. Oke,
Oh, enggak,
we were.
kita dikenalin gitu.
Oh,
Dikenalin sama karyawannya yang kerja.
oh dikenalin gitu, bukan diundang. Oke, bilang aja we
Ya,
met
gimana
gitu
ya,
lah.
Mas?
We met aja, we met her employees tuh maksudnya
Oh,
ibunya
iya.
temenmu ya?
Oh, maksudnya diajak kenalan.
Iya, bilang aja nggak apa-apa. Kita ketemu gitu, ketemu sama
Oh,
employees-nya. Jadi, yaitu tadi
hmm.
konsepnya bahasa Indonesia nggak usah diinggriskan semua. Tapi intinya kan tahu kalau misalnya kamu itu ketemu sama employees-nya gitu. Bisa juga ditambahin greet
Ya,
aja, greet aja. We we met and greet. Ini her employees maksudnya ibunya temenmu itu ya, pekerjanya ibunya
iya,
temenmu,
karyawan.
karyawan ya. Mm-mm.
Ya,
Oke. And then everybody good attitude. Nah, ini jangan bilang everybody good attitude, tapi bilang aja everyone was really kind atau nice atau welcome kayak gitu. Jadi jangan everybody good attitude with us, ya kayak gitu. Jadi maksudnya kan intinya mereka baik gitu kan, ya
iya,
Ninis.
iya gitu, Mas.
Oh, oke. Ya, jadi bukan everybody good attitude. Dan ingat perlu ada to be ya. Jadi ketika kita mau bilang eh, kalau ada adjektif di sini kan kayak good attitude itu kan adjektif. Maka itu harus ada to be gitu di sebelumnya. Jadi everyone was really kind to us. Kind to us, bukan with us, tapi to. Jadi prepositionnya pakainya bukan with us, tapi to us. We didn't buy them.
Mhm.
Hmm, maksudnya kamu nggak ini ya, nggak bayar gitu kan intinya.
Iya,
Oke. Kalau di sini tuh kan then we didn't buy them. kayak lebih kami tidak membeli mereka gitu ya, tapi mereka hanya apa gitu. We we didn't buy the food, for example, jangan langsung dem, jadi harus lebih jelas dulu apa yang kamu beli gitu kan. Atau enggak kamu bilang we ate it for free gitu kan, because si siapa ibunya temenmu nih ngegratisin gitu ya, kayak gitu. Jadi ini ya lebih jelas di sini ya. We didn't buy the food kayak gitu. We no paying itu bukan we no paying, but we didn't pay gitu aja ya. We didn't pay, we didn't pay them. Nah kalau misalnya di sini we didn't buy the food and we no need to pay gitu aja. We no need to pay. Even though we tried many menus there. Oke, kan bakar was, jangan lupa to be-nya, was very delicious with the sauce gitu. If we mix the sauce. That besides that there is a kind of acar very good. Ya ini to be-nya disesuaikan aja ya. Kalau misalnya simple past pakai simple past. Tapi itu aja. Oke, overall ya really really informatif gitu ya, karena yang seperti Miss bilang tadi, kamu ngejelasinnya itu detail dan ya mengangkat juga kayak cerita di baliknya gitu, kayak sejarahnya gitu, kenapa namanya ini, terus ya kamu ngasih tahu jam berapa berangkatnya, sampai ya pokoknya detail banget. I like it. Okay, thank you Lilis for your presentation.
Okay,
Oke, ya,
thank you, James.
ya, Mai. Sekarang siapa? Selanjutnya, Arham apa udah siap?
Oke, Miss.
Oke, silakan Arham.
Baik. Hmm, hmm, okay, good evening. Sorry, this may be too simple, but my most memorable holiday.
Mhm,
So my holiday, the most I love it, is in Bali. The holiday
mhm,
took place in August 2023 during my periodic leave. I visited Bali, Indonesia, one of the most beautiful and culturally rich islands in the world. I traveled with my college friend. They are Hamam and Holil. They are my best friend.
oke,
And my holiday, we went to Bali for 3 days. Bali is famous for its stunning beach. Last year, we went to Jimbaran Beach and ancient temples such as Tanah Lot and Uluwatu. The island offers a mix of natural beauty and vibrant local culture. We watched Kecak Dance or Tari Kecak with the
mhm,
sunset view in Uluwatu. It was the best moment of our holiday. In our vacation, the weather was warm and sunny most day. This thing made it easy for us to enjoy this trip.
oke.
Uh, the locals were quite friendly and welcoming. We also enjoyed some delicious fresh seafood at the beachside restaurant in Jimbaran. It's expensive but so worth it. I felt relaxed, grateful, and refreshed by the nature's beauty and culture in Bali. I can't wait to go back someday with a longer time. Maybe that's all from me, Miss. Thank
Oke, thank you Arham.
you.
Boleh balik ke depan lagi?
Oh ya,
Ya, oke. Ini ya, aku kasih feedback sedikit.
oke.
Jadi, eh, kan tadi Arham bilangnya the holiday took place in. Nah, kalau took place itu kan lebih ke tempatnya. Jadi, sebaiknya di sini dikasih Bali. The
Oh,
holiday took place in Bali, kayak gitu ya.
hmm,
In Bali dulu, terus habis gitu. Nah, kalau misalnya bilangnya bulan, Itu on August, uh-uh, on August 2023 during my periodic leave. Okay. I visited Bali, Indonesia. I visited Bali, Indonesia. One of the most beautiful. Nah, kalau mau ini kan koma-koma ya, jadi kayak kurang efektif. Boleh ditambahkan kayak penghubung. Jadi ketika I visited Bali, Indonesia, which one of the most kayak gitu. Jadi ada penghubungnya di sini pakainya which, gitu ya. Which one of the most beautiful and cultural rich islands in the world, gitu ya. I traveled with my college friend. They are Hamam and Koli. They were.
Yeah,
Okay.
well,
Okay, next slide selanjutnya. We went to Bali for 3 days. Bali is famous for its stunning beaches. Okay, it's a fact. Jadi boleh pakai simple present. Last year we went to Jimbaran Beach and ancient temples such as Tanah Lot and Uluwatu. The island offers a mix of itu karena ini ya fakta boleh. Ya kayaknya sih itu aja mungkin atau oh on our vacation ya lebih tepatnya pakai
oh yeah.
preposition aja. The weather was warm and sunny most days. This thing made it easy for us to engage. Okay, next. Fine. The locals were quite friendly and welcoming. Okay. Iya, kayaknya cuma itu dong.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, Arham. Yep. The last one, Tika. Hi, Tika.
Oh, hi, Miss.
Yeah, are you ready?
Hmm, to be honest, I'm not ready here for today.
Oh, really? Jadi belum
Yeah,
bikin?
yeah, Miss.
Oh, oke. Ya udah. Tapi nanti itu ya, dikerjain ya, biar biar dapat nilai. Yang
Siap,
lainnya
siap.
kan, yang lainnya udah bikin soalnya. Oke, seperti itu. Oke,
Ah,
kita
baiklah, Miss.
lanjut ini aja ya. Sebenarnya sih warming up-nya harusnya di awal, tapi nggak apa-apa lah. Kita warming up-nya di tengah-tengah, biar tidak mengantuk, kawan. Jadi, listening lagi ya. Udah ngeliat video. Bentar, saya jawab dulu. Terlihat?
Terlihat, Miss.
Oke, sorry ya.
Oh, great! Another email from Anna in England. Let's see, what does she say? Hi.
Nah, ini langsung ada pertanyaannya. What's the girl's name? Answer in your own words. Kelihatan nggak? Eh, waduh.
Ana, Anta.
Sebentar ya. Salam. Sebentar ya, teman-teman. Ulang lagi ya. Kebesaran sih. Lah, selalu saja. Oh, gini sih. Okay, just forget it. harus login gitu. Ya, nggak usah aja deh. Kita langsung ke materi aja ya. Sorry guys for the trouble. Ntar aku keluarin dulu. Terlihat?
Terlihat, Miss.
Oke, talk about there is and there are. Kayak gitu ya. Jadi penggunaan there is and there are. Nah, do you know how to use there is and there are? Teman-teman ada yang tahu penggunaan there is dan there are? Perbedaannya di mana? Kita coba ini ya, tes dulu. Coba jawab pertanyaan ini. Kira-kira yang number one ini jawabannya there is or there are. Two banks on the high street. Itu harusnya there is or there are.
There are.
Or
There
Are.
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 Oke, kalau yang bawahnya bla
Uh,
bla bla a beach very near the city center.
there is.
Is.
There is. Kalau yang ini any
There are
lakes?
not.
There is.
There is or there
There
are.
are. Itu
It's not.
lakes kan, Miss?
Iya,
Berarti
lakes.
banyak. There are no.
Oh iya.
Any lakes.
Oke.
Eh,
Number four.
How many parks are there?
They.
Are there. Okay, number five.
There are.
There are.
Okay. Then number six.
Is there.
There.
There. Then number seven.
Uh, there are no.
There are no.
There are no. There are no schools in my neighborhood.
Okay, the last one.
Hmm.
Ini
There itu
iya apostrophe ya, nggak tahu. Ya pilih aja yang atas atau bawah.
atas aja lah, Miss.
There are. Yang atas
Atas aja. Oke, coba ya kita cek.
ini pasangannya bukannya isi.
Apa? Any. Ya,
Hmm.
nanti kita bahas ya. Kapan kita pakainya is atau are. Oke, seperti itu. Jadi ini jawabannya benar semua. Bisa ya berarti penggunaan there is and there are. Atau masih bingung? Ya, jadi di sini teman-teman bisa lihat. Yang pertama untuk yang afirmatif, kayak gitu ya. Afirmatif, ingat ya positif. We use there is to say that something exists or is in a place. For example, there is a bridge in the park, gitu ya. Jadi ini menyatakan sesuatu yang eksis atau di itu ya menyatakan di suatu tempat gitu. For example, di sini ada there is a bridge in the park gitu. Ada jembatan gitu ya di taman. Terus kemudian we use there is for singular nouns and there are for plural nouns. Tadi pemakaiannya udah tepat ya, teman-teman pakai there is sama there are. Jadi there is itu untuk yang singular atau yang tunggal kayak gitu ya. Sedangkan there are untuk yang plural atau jamak. For example, there is a restaurant in the station gitu. Nah, ini kan ada is terus kemudian ada artikel itu sudah sangat jelas menandakan kalau dia singular. Oke. Terus there are two cafes. Ini kan ada two gitu ya. Maka itu plural. Karena plural ini kafenya ditambahin s di belakangnya. there are 2 cafes in the shopping center, kayak gitu. Kemudian we can say there's instead of there is. Jadi kita ini ya di apostrofkan. We often say this when we speak, but there is no short form for there are. Ya, jadi itu kenapa tadi yang ini jawabannya yang atas ya, bukan yang bawahnya. Karena itu nggak ada bentuknya yang di apostrofkan kayak gitu. Adanya cuma there is. There is a restaurant in the station. Jadi ini bisa bilang there's gitu ya. There's a restaurant in the station. There are 2 cafes tuh nggak bisa jadi there. Susah ya. Udah there ada R-nya lagi nggak bisa ini. Oke. Kemudian when we are speaking informally and make a list of things, we often use there is or there's instead of there are. Kayak gitu ya. Jadi kalau kita ngomongnya itu nggak baku atau lagi informal aja gitu, kita biasanya pakainya there's gitu ya. There's a cafe, supermarket, and a bus stop on my street. Kayak gitu ya. Instead of there are a cafe, a supermarket, and a bus stop on my street. Even though secara grammar itu yang benar yang bawah gitu ya. Tapi seperti yang aku udah bilang kemarin, khususnya native speaker gitu ya, ketika mereka ngomong tuh biasanya nggak memperdulikan grammar ketika speaking gitu ya, informally. Kecuali kalau secara akademik ya, misalnya lagi di uni atau college kayak gitu tuh beda. Tapi atau di office kayak gitu ya. Tapi kalau misalnya kita lagi ngomong ya kayak ke temen atau mungkin bisa juga ke college, ke kolega tapi itu bukan di kantor, itu kita bisa pakainya yang kayak there's gitu ya, seperti itu. Jadi secara grammar tuh nggak benar tapi itu sering diucapkan. Untuk yang afirmatif, apakah ada yang ingin ditanyakan penggunaan there is and there are? Belum?
Belum ada,
Belum.
Miss.
Oke, sekarang kita masuk ke negatifnya ya. For negatives, we use there isn't or there's not, ya, itu artinya there is not, for singular, and there aren't, for there are not, for plural. Jadi ketika di negatif, yang are-nya ini ada aren't gitu ya jadinya. There isn't a pharmacy near the hotel. Atau there aren't any restaurants near the hotel. Kayak gitu. Bedanya ini tadi yang farmasi itu ada kan artikel jadi itu menandakan singular. Terus sedangkan yang restoran sini ada s, maka kita pakainya are. Nah, karena dia negatif gitu ya, maka biasanya menggunakan any. There aren't any restaurants near the hotel. Kayak gitu. Terus kemudian we often use there isn't a plus singular noun or there isn't any kayak gitu ya plus uncountable noun and there aren't any plus plural noun. Jadi any ini bisa digunakan di isn't maupun aren't kayak gitu ya. For example, there isn't a cafe near here. Kalau yang pertama ini kan singular ya. Singular noun. Ada artikel terus di sini noun-nya adalah cafe gitu ya. Terus kemudian yang kedua, there isn't any milk. Nah, ini pakainya any juga walaupun itu dia is gitu ya, isn't. Dan plus uncountable noun atau kata benda yang tidak bisa dihitung. Contohnya susu. Contohnya liquid gitu ya. Di sini liquidnya itu nggak bisa dihitung kecuali kalau dia di wadah atau di tempat gitu ya. Itu beda lagi kasusnya. Kalau misalnya kayak a bottle of milk itu tuh bisa dihitung karena dia ada wadahnya. ada tempatnya. Sedangkan kalau di sini dia nggak ada tempatnya atau wadahnya, maka ini kategorinya uncountable. Terus kemudian ada there aren't any toilets in the park. Jadi kita bisa juga pakai any pakai to be are gitu ya, aren't, tapi diikuti oleh plural noun gitu ya. Kalau yang isn't any tadi diikuti uncountable noun, sedangkan kalau yang aren't any diikuti oleh plural noun. Seperti itu. Terus kemudian to show that the negative is important, we also often use there is no plus uncountable noun and there are no for plural noun. It is possible to use there is no plus singular noun, but it's not as common. For example, kita bisa bilangnya there's no milk. Ini sama juga artinya kayak there isn't any milk, kayak gitu ya. Atau there are no toilets in the park. Ini sama kayak there aren't any toilets in the park. Seperti itu. Sampai sini ada yang ingin ditanyakan?
Belum.
Belum? Masih bisa ya? Paham ya? Pokoknya kalau yang isn't gitu ya, itu diikuti oleh singular noun. Terus kemudian kalau yang ada isn't any, itu maka diikuti oleh uncountable noun atau kata benda yang tidak bisa dihitung gitu ya. Sedangkan kalau yang there aren't any, itu diikuti oleh yang plural noun. Oke, kita latihan dulu aja deh. Coba bikin kalimat yang positif dan negatif satu-satu, teman-teman. Dimulai dari Aishi.
Untuk yang afirmatifnya, there is my friend.
There is apa?
My friend.
My friend.
My friend, Miss.
Oh, there is my friend. Oke.
Yes. Negatifnya, there isn't. There isn't apa ya? There isn't my book, bisa nggak, Miss?
There isn't my book. Oke. Berarti itu masuk yang singular noun ya. Coba
Ya,
kalau yang bikin plus uncountable noun.
uncountable noun.
Mm-mm. Ini contohnya yang there isn't any milk. Jadi sesuatu yang nggak bisa dihitung. Contohnya liquid. Terus kemudian misalnya partikel-partikel kecil seperti gula atau garam kayak gitu.
There isn't any apa ya?
Ini apa? Ini
Any skincare maybe, Miss?
skincare.
Bisa nggak? Yes.
Skincare. Sulit juga ya. Skincare itu kategori countable or uncountable. Kayaknya dia bisa dihitung ya.
Kan dalam skincare itu bisa, Miss.
Ntar ya, aku coba cek di sini, di kategori ini. Karena skincare is uncountable noun. Iya, oke. Uncountable, oke. Ya, there isn't any skincare. Terus kemudian kalau yang pluralnya, there aren't apa?
They aren't any.
Any. Kalau yang
Any.
ini bisa dihitung. Kata bendanya bisa dihitung kalau ini.
Oh, there aren't any car in the garden. Bisa gak, Miss?
Ini apa?
Any car in the garden.
Cars.
Yes.
Mobil.
Mm-mm.
Oke, pakai S ya. Karena kan plural.
Oh,
There
okay,
aren't
Miss.
any cars in the garden. Oke.
Apa ya garden?
Ya nggak apa-apa. Atau enggak ya at the parking. Ya nggak
Iya,
apa-apa deh.
Miss.
Boleh deh. Oke. Bisa ya?
Insya Allah
Oke,
bisa.
insya Allah. Selanjutnya, Arham.
Okay, Miss. There is a supermarket right near.
There is a supermarket. Oke. Terus, kalau yang negatifnya?
There are no glasses in the fridge.
There are no apa?
Glasses.
Oh,
Glass.
oh, glasses. Oke.
Yeah.
There are no glasses in the fridge.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay then. And then next, um, Hervan.
Hmm. There is a book on the table, Miss. There is a
Oke.
book.
Negatifnya apa?
There aren't any chairs in the room.
There aren't any apa?
Any chairs. Itu kursi itu apa gimana Miss, cara
Oh,
any chairs
chairs.
in the room? Ya,
Chairs.
chairs. Heeh.
Pakai CC, chairs. Repeat after me.
Chairs.
Ya, cheers. Oke. Aku mikir apa, chairs? Oke. Thank you, Hervan. And Nabila.
Ya, Miss.
Ya,
Berarti positifnya dulu ya.
iya positif.
There is a convenience store around my hotel.
Oke. And then?
There are bisa pakai dari is bisa ke are nggak, Miss? Nggak ya? Berarti pakai is juga ya?
Gimana?
Kan tadi kan positifnya there is a convenience store around my hotel.
Oke, terus habis gitu?
Kalau ganti pakai are boleh gak?
Boleh jadinya gimana?
There aren't any convenience store around my hotel.
There
There
aren't
are
any.
not any convenience stores around my hotel.
Oke. Ya bisa. Oke, then. Next, Ninis.
Yes, Miss.
Ya.
Yang afirmatif itu
Mhm.
there is a cat.
There is a cat. Oke. Yang negatifnya?
Bisa.
Heeh.
Yang negatifnya there isn't a flower.
There isn't a flower. Oke. Kalau coba yang ini, uncountable-nya?
Uncountable-nya there isn't any hair. Rambut itu nggak bisa dihitung kan?
Yeah. There isn't any hair. Oke.
Hair.
And then next, Tika.
There are not any people living there.
To be-nya apa?
Are
Positif. Yang positif dulu coba. There
are any people living there? Benar nggak sih, Miss?
any hanya digunakan ketika
Mhm.
negatif. Heeh. Kalau itu, kalau positif nggak usah pakai any. There. Jadi gimana?
There are a lot
Uh-uh.
of people living in Sumatra. Ya.
Oke. Terus kalau yang yang negatif,
Yang mana nih?
eh bebas.
Oke. Yang negatif yang pakai any, Miss.
Boleh, boleh.
Oke. There aren't any people living in Bagan Siapi-api. Kayaknya.
Oke. Bisa ya berarti ya.
Bisa, Miss.
Oke. Oke, next. Kita coba lihat yang bawahnya ada questions gitu ya. For questions, we say is there for singular nouns and uncountable nouns, and are there for plural nouns. Seperti itu ya. Jadi untuk yang singular sama yang uncountable nouns, kita pakainya is there. For example, is there a cafe near here? Nah, ini kategorinya yang singular nouns. Dan dia bisa dihitung ya, countable. Terus kemudian, is there any milk in the fridge? Ini kategorinya yang singular and uncountable, ya. Uncountable noun. Kemudian, untuk yang bawahnya, are there any toilets in the park? Ini kategorinya yang plural. Plural nouns. Seperti itu. Nah, kemudian untuk yang jawabannya, we say yes, there is. Untuk yang positif gitu ya, atau afirmatif. Nah, kita nggak bisa nulisnya yes, there's. Itu nggak bisa, tapi dijabarkan gitu ya. Yes, there is, kayak gitu. Terus, or no, there isn't. Kalau yang ini dia bisa gitu ya, there isn't. Or yes, there are. Atau no, there aren't. Kayak gitu ya. Oke, sampai sini ada yang ditanyakan? Nah, kemudian untuk yang, ya ada yang ditanyakan?
Belum ada, Miss.
Belum. Nah, ini kemudian untuk yang bentuk past tense ya. Maka itu yang there is menjadi there was, kayak gitu ya. Kemudian yang there are menjadi there were. Terus ada lagi, there will be a lot of people at the shopping center tomorrow. Kalau itu bentuknya yang future. Kayak gitu ya. Nah, coba kita tes lagi. Kira-kira udah bisa belum ini? Number one, kira-kira jawabannya apa?
There aren't.
There are not.
Oke. Kalau yang number two,
There's no.
There's no.
there's no. Coba baca kalimatnya sampai akhir.
There is any.
There is any.
Kayaknya any dong. There's
Iya.
any. Okay.
Ya, soalnya my sister drank it all ya.
Yes.
Atau gimana? eh tapi kind of, ya there's no atau there's any. Nanti kita bahas. Menyesatkan ya. Yang there's any nih. Oke, number three.
There are.
There are. Number four.
How many days?
Are there.
Are there?
Are there.
Okay. Number five.
Are there.
Are
Oh,
there.
are there?
Okay. Number six.
There is.
There is.
There is. Number seven.
There were.
There were. Okay. Number 8.
There is any.
There's
There is any.
There is any.
There is any.
Okay. Moment of truth. Salah.
Salah gitu yang terakhir.
Iya, ini harusnya
There's no.
harusnya there's no, karena di sini kan kalimat selanjutnya I'm surprised a lot of people live here. Jadi kayak masa di di situ nggak ada, di kota itu nggak ada hospitalnya gitu kan ya. Aku tuh terkejut karena soalnya tuh banyak banyak orang yang tinggal di sana gitu, yang tinggal di sini gitu loh. Dia surprise banyak orang tapi kok nggak ada rumah sakit gitu ya. Oke. Terus sama yang atasnya juga itu tadi mengecoh ya. Nah ini tuh there's no tapi aku tadi coba mengecoh kalian terus kalian juga jadi bingung gitu. Kan kalau yang N itu lebih nggak ke ini kan, ke negatif kan pakainya. Terus di sini karena kan there's no coffee, my sister drank it all. Jadi maksudnya kopinya tuh udah nggak ada karena udah dihabisin gitu sama sisternya gitu ya. Oke, hati-hati ya, jangan terkecoh. Seperti itu. Ya ini kan di sini nggak ada rulesnya ketika afirmatif itu pakai N. Adanya di negatif gitu ya. Oke, kalau gitu kita coba ke sini. Masih lagi? Oh, putih. Padahal layar aku udah. Ini, coba ulang. Oh, udah. Bentar ulang. Nah, ini tadi nggak kelihatan. Mhm. Masih ada. Kelihatan ya?
Yes, Miss.
A Night at a Haunted Hotel. Siapa yang kira-kira mau baca? Harusnya ada soundnya ya, biar lucu. Jadi di sini ada a troll. Ada yang tahu itu a troll itu apa? A troll. Siapa yang suka nonton film biasanya tahu.
Soalnya yang
Yang
batu.
kayak di gimana gimana?
Soalnya yang troll batu.
Troll batu.
Yang di Frozen.
Oh, iya. Jadi kind of like monster ya. Kayak kalau misalnya pernah lihat Harry Potter atau apa, itu ya kayak gitulah intinya. A troll in front of the fridge. And then kalau yang ini a troll behind the stove. Stove. Terus kemudian an alien bentar, on the stove. Jadi ini kita mau ngasih tahu ya posisi, letak posisi. Ada in front of, ada behind, ada on stove. Jadi bisa dilihat di gambarnya ya, perbedaannya di mana. Oh, kalau misalnya on itu ada di atas, kayak gitu. Terus kemudian an alien over the fridge, berarti di atas gitu ya. Beda ya, yang on sama over. Kalau on itu dia nempel, sedangkan kalau over tuh dia enggak, dia melayang. Terus kemudian an alien in front of the desk, and then an alien, sama ya? Iya. An alien behind the desk, gitu ya. A ghost under the desk. Seperti itu. Ya, next. Nah, ini over, ya, di atas ini gitu ya, melayang. Ini tahu in front of, behind, under, di bawah. Terus next to ini sama dengan beside, yaitu ada di samping gitu ya. In front of, next to lagi, sama behind. Okay. Look at the photos and read the introductions. The introduction, answer the questions. Okay, siapa yang kira-kira mau baca? Would you like to spend a night in this room? Nabila,
Gimana, Miss? Maaf.
mau baca ini? Would you like to spend a night in
Oh,
this room? Okay.
boleh, Miss. Tapi agak
Oke.
kecil bentar. Saya zoom dulu.
Okay.
Would you like to spend a night in this room? There are many old houses, all old houses, pubs, and hotels in Britain, which people say have ghosts. A British newspaper, the Sunday Times, sent one of its journalists, Stephen Bleach, to investigate Gosforth Hall Hotel, a small hotel in Cumbria in the north of England. People say that the hotel was the ghost of a 17th century cat- Catholic, Catholic priest.
Catholic.
Yes. The ghost always appears in room 11. Stephen's job was to spend the night alone in room 11. He couldn't phone or speak to anybody. Before he went to the hotel, Stephen said, I feel a bit nervous, but I don't believe in ghosts.
Oke, ya, jadi kita lagi ngomongin tentang ghost ya. Jadi untuk yang number one, kira-kira jawabannya apa? Where is Gosford Hall Hotel? Di mana itu?
Cumbria,
In
Cumbria.
Britain.
in the north of England.
Ya, Cumbria. In the north of England. Okay. Then who is Stephen Bleach?
The Sunday Times journalist.
Okay, the Sunday Times. British newspaper, the Sunday Times sent one of its journalists. Ya, oke. Terus kemudian number three. What is special about room 11? Okay.
The ghost always appears in room 11.
Well, jadi spesialnya karena ada si ghostnya ini ya. Okay. And then, what did Stephen do? Ngapain si Stephen-nya? Apa yang Stephen lakuin?
Spend the night alone in Rome.
Alone in room 11.
Yep. Spend the night alone in room 11. Okay. And then, number 5. What couldn't he do?
Phone
Couldn't phone or speak to anybody.
anybody.
Yeah, okay. How did he feel before he went to the hotel?
Nervous.
Nervous.
Yeah, a bit nervous, yeah. Does he believe in ghosts?
No,
Yeah,
he doesn't.
okay. So, yeah. Oke, selanjutnya siapa yang mau baca? Tika?
Harus.
Oke.
I arrived at Gosford Hall late in the evening. It was a very dark night, but I could see there was a church with a cemetery next to the hotel. I checked in, and the receptionist gave me the key and showed me to my room. I left my things in the room and came downstairs. There weren't many guests. There were only 3, including me. I sat in the sitting room and I talked to the manager, Sarah Daniels, about her hotel. I had a drink and then at 12, I went upstairs to my room. Room 11 was on the top floor. I opened the door and turned on the light. It was a very big room, quite old, and yes, it was a bit spooky. There was an old television on the table, but there was not a remote control. I turned on the TV. There was a film on. I was happy to see that it was not a horror film. I decided to watch the film and have the light on all night, but I was tired after my long journey, and after 5 an hour, I went to sleep.
Okay. Yeah. Next, kita lihat. From memory, correct the information in these sentences. Could you quickly reread the article to check? There was a cemetery behind the hotel. Next to, ada yang masih ingat? Next to apa?
Next to samping.
Next to apa? Heeh.
Samping, Miss.
Iya, maksudnya jawabannya apa? Bla bla bla.
Iya.
Jadi ini tuh kayak itu kayak fill in the blank gitu. Susah ya?
Tidak ingat.
Tidak ingat. Ya udah, ini boleh di screenshot dulu nanti langsung.
Wait.
Udah, kita coba ya. There was a cemetery behind the hotel next to
Next to, yes.
The
Next to, Miss.
next to the hotel, Miss.
next to the hotel. Oke. Kalau yang bawahnya there were 3 other guests in the hotel. Ini
Oh,
gimana?
tadi itu five.
True. Ini true
Bener
also
ya?
gitu, Miss.
There were 3 other guests in the hotel. Oh,
True berarti
Yeah.
could you
including
quickly reread the article to check? Next
there
to.
were no
Oh ya ya.
there
Iya
were
nih,
including.
kalau yang number one kan tadi there was a cemetery behind the hotel tuh kan salah ya. Harusnya benar next to kayak gitu. Nah, terus kemudian yang there were 3 other guests in the hotel nih benar nggak? Kalau kalau salah yang benar tuh apa kayak gitu?
Harusnya they weren't, Miss.
There weren't.
Bener gak sih?
Bener loh deh.
Ini termasuk si itunya Stephen.
There were
Iya.
3 other guests in the hotel. Berarti kan other.
Tiga lagi.
Iya,
Oh,
berarti
Dua lagi.
false.
Dua lagi.
false ya. And then harusnya kan there weren't many guests ya. There weren't. Adanya dia cuma ada 3 tapi including me. Tapi nggak ada yang lainnya lagi kan kayak gitu. And then he talked to one of the guests.
Salah, Miss.
False.
Harusnya apa?
Ke
Dia
manajer.
talk to manager.
Okay. Room 11 was on the first floor.
Salah, Miss.
Ya, harusnya.
On the top.
On the top.
Okay. The room was quite small.
False.
Harusnya.
Very big.
Big room.
Yeah, very big room. Then there was a horror film on TV.
Salah, Miss.
False.
Wasn't.
Harusnya.
Bukan film horor.
Iya. It wasn't ya. It wasn't a horror film. When he went to sleep, the TV and the lights were turned off. Jawabannya apa? When he went to sleep, the TV and the lights were turned off.
False.
Harusnya?
Light on all night.
Yeah. And then,
He
do you think?
decided to watch the film and he didn't like. Bener ya, Miss?
Iya, benar-benar. Iya. Itu light on all night. Dibilangnya kan. Jadi nyala terus sepanjang malam. Terus, do you think Stephen saw the ghost?
No.
Why?
He went to sleep.
Yeah. Yeah, he fell asleep ya. He went to sleep. Yeah, after half an hour. Half an hour, okay. The next. Ini enggak ya? Dia tak melihatnya. Hanya ada listening tapi nggak tahu filenya di mana. Oke, sekarang kita coba pakainya there was atau there were. Complete the sentences from the article with was, wasn't, were, or weren't. There blah 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 many guests in the hotel. Jawabannya apa?
There were.
Hah?
There
There were not.
There were not. Yeah. There weren't. Okay, number
There were.
2.
There were.
Where?
Apa? There?
There were.
There
Were.
were. Yeah, there were only 3 including me. Number 3.
There was.
There
There
was. Yeah, an old TV. Karena ini ya singular ya. Singular nan. Ada artikel an di sini. Kemudian ada their blah 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 remote control.
There was
Wasn't.
Huh?
Wasn't.
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 Okay, there wasn't. Ya, there wasn't a remote control. Ini ada semua ya di paragraf yang tadi di artikelnya. Oke, seperti itu. Sekarang kita coba cek yang bentar. Kelihatan teman-teman? Kekecilan nggak? Kekecilan? Kalau kecilan aku perbesar.
Perbesar dikit aja.
Oke. Gini. Gini
Ya.
masih kecil?
Sudah kelihatan, Miss.
Sudah kelihatan, Miss.
Oke. Ini kita lagi ngebahas vocabulary ya. Jadi kalian disuruh nebak. Where do you usually take off your coat? For example, in the hall. Kayak gitu ya jawabannya. Nah, kalau yang where do you usually have a shower?
In the
Bathroom.
bedroom.
In the bathroom.
Bathroom.
Iya, bacanya bath ya, bathroom. Yang number 3,
Bedroom.
Aisyah,
In the kitchen. Kitchen.
in the kitchen. Yang lainnya sama.
Dining room.
Apa?
Dining room.
Dining room.
Iya, dining room ya. Oke. Then number 4, Arham,
Use a computer in the wait. Use computer in hall.
all udah. All
Oh, in the hall. So wait. In the study room.
Iya,
Study.
ini harusnya ada roomnya ya, study room. Oke. Then number 5, Hervan.
Garage.
Oh ya, oke.
Garage.
Garage, ya. Then number 6, Hervan. Number 6,
Kitchen.
iya, kitchen ya, make lunch. And then number 7, Nabila.
In the living room.
Yep, living room. Number 8, Ninis.
Sleep in the bedroom.
Ya, bedroom. Ya, ini bacanya bedroom, kalau ini bath ya. Bathroom. Oke, dan sampai salah. Nah, sekarang coba yang jadi A, Tika, yang jadi B, Arham. Complete with the correct form of there is, there are, and if necessary, article a, some, or any. Jadi kalau dibutuhkan ya, boleh pakai artikel a, some, or any. Silakan, Tika.
Okay. Could you give me some more information about the house?
Of course. What do you want to know?
Is there a garden?
Yes, there is large garden with a swimming pool.
Oh, very nice. And how many bedrooms are there?
Yeah. 3, I think. Yes, there are 3 bedrooms.
Okay. And apa lagi ini? Mampus.
Bla 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 dining room.
Okay. Is there any dining room? Benar nggak sih, Miss?
Ya. Terus yang B-nya?
Are not
No, there are no, there aren't, no, there are not, but there is a big kitchen.
Kenapa bilangnya there are?
Oh, no, there is no. Yeah,
Eh, ya, no, there isn't. Nah,
no, there is not, but
uh-uh.
there is a big kitchen.
And then yang A,
uh are there shelves in the kitchen?
No, there are not, but there are any cupboards. Do you have any more question?
Wait. Yes, the furniture. Ah, sini. Mampus aku, Miss. Ah, 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 apa weh? The
itu
furniture.
kategorinya countable atau enggak, terhitung atau enggak, plural atau tidak, kayak gitu.
The furniture. Wait, Miss.
Iya.
Itu uncountable, Miss. Pakai ini kan?
Jadi gimana kalimatnya?
Yes, the furniture.
Apa? Gimana?
Aku blank, Miss. Bener.
Eh, ini jadi maksudnya tuh the furniture, tapi itu kayak udah titik di situ. Nanti kayak lebih fokusnya ke sini pertanyaannya yang armchairs in the living room. Jadi udah, do you have any questions? Yes, the furniture. Bla 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 armchairs in the living room kayak gitu. Jadi ini pertanyaannya fokusnya ke armchairs-nya aja. Jadi harusnya pakai apa?
Are there armchairs in the living room?
Ya, are there any armchairs in the living room? Kayak gitu ya.
Baiklah, Miss. Baiklah.
Yang B-nya.
No, no, I'm sorry. There are not any armchairs, but there is sofa.
There is a sofa.
Sofa.
Ya. Mm-mm. Jadi ingat ya teman-teman, kalau misalnya dia singular bisa dihitung pakai artikel a, terus kalau kemudian dia countable atau dapat dihitung kemudian jamak, itu bisa menggunakan some gitu ya. For example tadi di mana ya? Oh ya, kayak ini, but there are some gitu ya, bisa. There are some cupboards kayak gitu. Terus kemudian ya, any itu bisa digunakan ketika pertanyaan, baik itu yang singular maupun yang plural gitu ya. Kayak gitu. Are there any armchairs in the living room? Tuh bisa. Sama tadi, are there any shelves kayak gitu? Tuh bisa gitu ya. And is there any gitu ya. Is there any dining room? Kayak gitu tuh juga bisa. Seperti itu. Nah, ini selanjutnya write the sentences in the plural. For example, di sini there's a cigarette on the floor. Maka menjadi there are some cigarettes on the floor. Nah, untuk yang number two nih gimana kira-kira kalau bentuk pluralnya? Is there a plant in
If
your
there are
living?
plants in your living,
Gimana, Hervan?
is there are plants in your living room?
Bentuk
Are
pluralnya,
they?
ya gimana? Are,
Are there plants in your living room?
eh, kalau sudah plural, plants gitu ya, maka artikelnya
Yeah.
nggak bisa pakai artikel e. Artikel e itu menunjukkan kalau
Oh, iya, iya.
iya,
So,
kalau itu
Then,
singular.
are there any plants in your
Iya.
living?
Are there any plants in your living room? Terus number three,
There are any keys in that door.
gimana? They are, there
Any
are any,
keys in that door.
kayak gini. Yang lainnya sama jawabannya. Ini lebih tepatnya
There
some ya.
are
Ya, some keys. Nanti kita akan bahas kenapa pakainya some, kenapa pakainya any, kayak gitu ya. Kalau yang ke positif atau afirmatif tuh kalimat kalimat positif atau afirmatif biasanya menggunakan some kayak gitu. Oke, any itu lebih ke yang negatif dan pertanyaan. Nah, kalau yang ini apa? Bentuk pluralnya. Ninis, bisa Ninis?
There are
Pertanyaan, kalau pertanyaan jadinya
kalau pertanyaan jadinya
There.
ya
are they are there
are there. Terus selanjutnya
some pakai
Mhm.
some nggak sih Miss? Toilet
Many toilets.
gimana Tika?
are
Are
there
there
any
many
toilet
Ya,
toilets?
any toy.
toilet
Kalau plural jadinya
tambah s
ya are there any toilets bla 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 kayak gitu
in
ya.
this restaurant?
Mhm. Oke, and then number 5 gimana?
Hmm, there isn't any
Bentuk pluralnya jadi
windows in this room.
to be-nya apa?
There are
There are
any
any gini.
itu negatif.
Negatif there aren't.
Ya,
Gini.
they aren't
Any.
windows in this room.
Oke, gini ya. Ya, seperti itu. Nah, sekarang yang C, circle the correct form. Kira-kira ini coba Hervan, tolong bacakan. Kira-kira jawabannya mana? Yang it's atau theirs?
Yes.
Theirs. Boleh dibacakan theirs? Ini diwarnain aja dia. Coba diwarnain.
There's a very nice house.
Oke, selanjutnya. Boleh dilanjutkan, Hervan?
Duh. Oke.
Theirs atau
Is
it's?
it's
It's. There's a very nice house. It's a large. Itu it's.
it's
Yang lainnya sama jawabannya. Sama seperti Hervan.
Iya, Miss, kayaknya
Yang
itu deh.
pertama,
Ah,
yang
kayaknya
pertama it's deh kayaknya, Miss.
yang
It's a
pertama
very
it's.
nice noise.
Oke.
Terus
Jadi
yang
yang
kedua there's.
yang keduanya there's. Berarti ini it's ya.
Mm-mm.
Yang keduanya there's. Terus yang ketiganya
There are.
there are. Okay. And then number 4,
Number 4, mm, there some, mm, there are
there are.
there are
There are. Gini, ya, Hervan.
ya, Miss.
Terus number 5,
It's
then number 6,
there aren't.
okay. Number 7, belum.
There are.
Number 8,
Mm, they are. They are.
ah, they are.
Mm, they are.
Ini, okay.
Yes,
Number
yes.
9, number 9,
It isn't.
it isn't ini. Ya,
Yes, yes.
oke. Terus yang bawahnya,
Mm, they, mm,
ah,
mm, there's. There's.
there's, oke. Oke, yang lainnya gimana? Sama jawabannya kayak Hervan. Teman-teman. It's a very nice house. There is a large garden, and there are some trees in the garden. I think there are apple trees. Nah, di sini kurang tepat ya, karena jadi ada kayak pengulangan gitu.
Oh,
Kan
iya.
sebelumnya kan dia bilang there are some trees in the garden.
Mm,
Nah, kemudian dia ini ingin menjelaskan pohon apa yang tadi disebutkan gitu ya, yang some trees-nya tuh pohon apa aja.
oh,
Maka lebih tepatnya, I think they are, walaupun itu bukan orang ya, tapi kita bisa pakai they gitu di sini. I think they are apple trees. Jadi ini menjelaskan kalimat sebelumnya. Gitu. Karena menjelaskan kalimat sebelumnya dia pakainya they are. I think they are apple trees. Gitu. Ini merujuk ke yang some trees di sini. Kemudian bla bla bla, a living room with a blue sofa. It's a living room with a blue sofa. Ini pakainya lebih tepatnya there's ya. There's a living room with a blue sofa. Gitu. Kemudian in the kitchen there aren't any shelves, but there are are some cupboards. Oke. Kemudian, they are quite old, but the fridge and cooker are new. Ya, jadi ini karena merujuk ke kalimat sebelumnya ya, maka pakainya they are. Terus kemudian, and the bathrooms fantastic. It isn't very big. Ya, betul. It isn't very big, but there is a shower and bath. Tahu ya bedanya penggunaan it's sama there, teman-teman? Apa masih bingung penggunaan there sama it's gitu ya? Jadi intinya kalau it's itu menyatakan sesuatu gitu yang gimana ya menjelaskannya? Kayak ini gitu loh. Ini itu rumah yang sangat bagus kayak gitu. Terus kemudian ada 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 gardennya gitu, garden yang luas. Jadi kayak untuk pertama kali kita menyatakan sesuatu atau menyatakan tempat gitu, itu lebih pakainya it's gitu ya. It's a very nice house. Jadi itu berupa opini gitu ya. Opini kita menyatakan kalau rumahnya itu bagus. Nah, sedangkan ya, jadi it's itu diikuti oleh adjective gitu biar lebih gampang ya. Itu kan dibilangnya it's a very nice house. Kemudian untuk pelengkapnya atau penjelasnya kita pakainya there. Jadi ada gardennya, ada pohonnya, terus ada apa kayak gitu. Seperti itu ya. Nah, ini bedakan lagi sama it isn't very big. Ini juga pakainya it karena itu lebih merujuk ke adjektifnya gitu ya. Nggak mungkin kan kita bilang there isn't very big, there isn't very big apa gitu. Tapi kalau kita bilangnya it isn't very big, itu udah cukup gitu ya. It isn't very big, but there's a shower and a bath. Kalau there's atau there itu diikuti oleh kayak noun gitu ya. Sedangkan kalau yang ke it's itu lebih ke fokusnya ke adjektifnya. Seperti itu. Oke, sampai sini ada yang ditanyakan? Mungkin untuk penggunaan any, some, dan artikel an itu kita bisa bahas di pertemuan selanjutnya. Seperti itu ya teman-teman. Kalau nggak ada yang ditanyakan, mungkin kita cukupkan dulu untuk malam ini. Thank you so much for joining my class and see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Miss.
Ya,
Thank you,
Welcome.
Miss.
you're
Thank you,
welcome.
Miss. Good night.